Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today we have a Fabfitfun Beauty edit. It is their new subscription box. You do not have to belong to Fabfitfun to be able to sign up for this. Let's get into it and check it out. You guys know I love Fabfitfun, and I will be quite honest, this snuck up on me and then I forgot about it. And everybody was like, are you gonna do the beauty box? And I was, yes. So I went out, you customize your own box. So I went out and I did this. I'm not sure if this is the January or February box. We're gonna get into it and find out. That's what I chose. It is $29.99. I am a Fabfitfun partner, so I will put links below. You can go over and check out Fabfitfun, or if you're just interested in the beauty edit, you can check this out. Again, it's $29.99, so it's equivalent to, let's say, a Allure box. We have four full-size products, and I did full customization on this box. Let's see what I chose. I like that, so I put it back there. It's like, ooh la la. Okay, first out that I chose. You guys know we got this in a box. I loved it, I finished it, and when it showed up as a choice that I could make in this box, I was all about it. It is the Rare Beauty Find Comfort Hydrating Body Lotion. It's a great lotion. I love the lotion. The scent is tantalizing. It is kind of, here, let me show you the scent. It's kind of, I have people, you know who you are, who don't like when I use the word sexy. So let's musky. Let's say that's, well, but musky smells deeper than this. It's just, this is the only thing that I will admit right here, and this was in my garage, so it's super cold. The only thing that I did not love about it, and like I said, I finished it, is it doesn't squeeze out super easy. So if you are older or have strength issues, I don't know that I recommend this. It can be that difficult to squeeze out. I got some though. That's what it looks like. It's a very thick lotion. I just did another box. Still got a little bit of palette on the back of my hand. We'll clean that up in a second. Oh yeah, it smells so good. I love the scent of this. The scent of all of her products. I vibe with very nicely. So good. That's why I forgave it being difficult to get out. It is so creamy and nice, absorbs so quickly into your skin, leaves you nice and soft but not greasy. I really, really enjoy this. However, if anyone at Rare Beauty is listening, let's go eye to eye on this new packaging, because it's a hard, their plastic is hard and it's difficult to squeeze out. You know what might be worth doing? It might be worth decanting. I'm gonna look and see if I have any old lotion containers I can decant this into. If I do, I'll show you guys on Insta, and I'll feel ever so clever about it. But that's a great idea, because the lotion is fantastic. Okay, next out, I have a Kulfi brow gel, and I got this. This is everywhere. This was in our Fabfitfun box. I got it in some Ipsy boxes. I don't know the brand. I keep meaning to look it up. It's everywhere now. And the few things that I have tried from them, I have really enjoyed. So yeah, I don't know the brand, but that's what this looks like. And again, it's a brow gel. The top has a comb and a brush attached. The inside, it looks like it's pretty much just a nice, I like the size of that brush. Sometimes the brushes are longer, and with my tiny little brows, I enjoy the size of that very much. Just kind of like a lotion-y scent, not like a mascara-y scent. And I like all the brow gels and creams because I quite often, as I very much did today, I put the color on my brows before I use any of these things, because quite often I use both. And they get ooky pretty quickly. And since we get them so often in boxes, especially if I choose them, I feel like I can throw them away more quickly, and I don't have to live with them being ooky. So it's a choice that I make very often, and I'm anxious to try this brand. Again, I don't know, I say Kulfi. It's a new brand to me in the last couple of months, and I'm liking what I'm trying of their products. We have 4 products in here, by the way. This is a Fenty Gloss Bomb. I got it in Fussy. The S's are dollar signs. It's Fussy. Having a vibe today. I am taping this on a day after we got, I'm taping it on Monday. So last night was the storm that came through the it's very pink, came through the East Coast. Well, actually, it came across the entire country. But here we are on the East Coast. They had said we were going to get like 2 feet of snow. We got like 6 inches of snow. But then, in a very unusual turn of events, as far north as we are, we got sleet and ice on top of it. My husband's been out there messing with it. It's a nightmare. That is what the color looks like. I wonder if it will go on like a cream and have some color. That's what it looks like it's gonna do. Or let's put it right here. Or if it will be just a gloss. Oh, color. I like that. I am glad that it's a color and not just a gloss. I have tons of glosses. Oh, that is very peachy. I'm gonna set this aside for summer, and also when you keep swiping at it, it makes it, you can tell it's there for sure, but I think on your lips that are already pink, it's mostly just going to give you a little bit of color, but I like that for sure in the summer. I will probably set this aside as a summer color for me, but I have had these Fenty Gloss Bombs and thoroughly enjoy them. And last but not least, I have the Kosas Plump and Juicy Comfy Clean Gel Cleanser. I have never tried this. I use almost always I always go back to it, the Purity Made Simple face wash from Philosophy. It's just, I like it. I've used it for many years. The one I am finishing up now is actually a 64 ounce. And it had a 2-year lifespan, and I am running at the end of that 2-year lifespan, but luckily I'm also running at the end of having that wash. And I have also been alternating lately with the one that we got in the Derm Store collab that they did with Subscription Sisters. There was a face wash in that I am loving. I will link that collab because I am enjoying most of the products that I got in there because, you know, I have such sensitive skin. It's hard for me to find new things, and that's kind of what I was hoping I would be able to do with this. It says it's a refreshing gel cleanser that deeply yet gently clarifies pores, removing excess oil and buildup while replenishing essential moisture for supple, bouncy skin. Skincare powered by panthenol, beta-glucan, hyaluronic acid, and allantoin. So I wasn't sure if it was perfect for me or one of my grands, but I figured either way, one of us would for sure like it. Ooh, I like the way it looks. That's how it looks, that nice bright orange color. Let's go ahead and pump that out. Looks kind of just like a regular gel. It smells very nice. It smells just clean, which is good. Light, almost citrusy is what I would say. Lightly fruity, perhaps. I like it. I will for sure give it a try. It's got a gel feel, almost like I could pull it and it would, yeah, it would almost, I mean, it's cleanser. Like I could pull it and it would almost string like a little bit slimy, but it's a cleanser. I would keep saying that. It's just a cleanser. I don't think I've tried a Kosas cleanser. I love the color of this. I really want this sitting in my shower, just being pretty. But it is the Kosas Plump and Juicy Comfy Clean Gel Cleanser. So that was my 4th choice in my box. I don't know if we always have 4 choices. Let me see. Let's get on and see what the internet says. Fabfitfun says, meet the Beauty Edit Box, your new monthly must-have for discovering the best in beauty. Each month, choose from 4 expertly curated assortments featuring products from Fabfitfun's favorite brands, and all for just $29.99. With new assortments every month, it's the easiest way to keep your routine fresh, fun, and always on trend. So these are the 4 that I chose from what they were offering. The Kosas, the Rare Beauty, the Kulfi, and the Fenty Lip Balm for $29.99. I will let you know here the value of my box, but I am positive it was worth it. I mean, yeah, positive, because a couple of these things are probably that on their own. And that is the new Fabfitfun Beauty Edit Box. Like I said, you do not have to be a Fabfitfun member to purchase this. I will put a link down below so you can go over and check it out. And let me know if you have any questions. I am a Fabfitfun partner. I may put one of their links down below, but I paid for this with my own money. This wasn't sent to me for review. This is something that I wanted to get because you guys know I love Fabfitfun. All right, guys, stay safe, stay warm. If you don't subscribe, I hope you will consider doing so. Please give us a thumbs up, maybe hype to help us out there in the algorithms, and I will see you again very soon. Take care, guys.